What's going on, YouTube? King USD coming to y'all with another trading video. Road to FU Money, I think part 25. Yeah, part 25. Here with Matt Rich Hands. We finna.
Yo, you already know what's going on.
We finna go over a couple trades. Get a little closer. So we're just gonna go over what we took on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.
Up to this week. Up
to today. And we'll go over your trade from today on Saturday. Just so we have two setups on there. So my first setup was a failed BLI, buy level inverse. We were playing off this 15-minute gap, or no, we played off a 5. Yeah, we played off this 5-minute gap. We wicked down to respect this level, and then we filled the wick that wicked down. I got in at the top of the candle, went in like 30 ticks in profit, and then reversed all the way to stop loss. And this was just like a possible re-entry. I didn't actually enter this trade. Let me see. So, what was that day? The 20th. Yeah, I lost 1,520 on the 20th on this trade. And then yesterday, we just took off during AM session. Absolutely nothing I can do with this price action. And then PM session gave me the pullback. And then actually both of our setups at the same time. So we sold below this buy level. My gray line's the buy level. We sold below and we left the fair value gap. At this point, I'm just waiting for the fair value gap to get inversed and close above the level. So we inverse right here, but we didn't close above the level. So I kept sitting on my hands. We had one more pullback, closed above the level, got in immediately. So that was my setup entry. And then we got the confirmation above this level. And then we pulled back into a fair value gap. And then we confirmed above.
Took off right after, bro.
And I was in drawdown for like an hour, playing around for like an hour. I look at my phone. This nigga texts me, what happened? I look at my phone. This nigga just straight TP.
Overly.
Literally, look, though. 1 5-minute candle did that whole thing.
It was like, what, is that like 200 points?
Let's see.
Because I seen it. I'm like, on
270.
Yeah, on Nasdaq, it was like 200 points in one candle. I'm like, damn.
270, one candle, gang.
Yeah, because I know you said you were looking for a setup, so I was like, crazy break, bro.
That shit was beautiful.
That nigga was itching, though. Shit.
Like, cause look, even on the hourly, bro. Look at this shit, even on the hourly. Where is it? Reset. Yesterday.
But they said the reason why was like Trump. He said something about he mentioned. I didn't even watch it, bro, because I was already done, so I really didn't care.
He mentioned what?
Something about crypto and markets or stocks or something.
True.
And every time he mentioned it, you know what I'm saying?
Because I know he started talking to get a The fuck, am I frozen on your side?
Yeah, it stayed on there, bro. He's straight though.
But fucking, he went on there to talk about trying to buy Greenland.
Yeah.
I know that's why he had the conference. He was trying to buy that shit. But look at it on the hourly. Confirm above. Pull back. Fair value gap.
Bro, over with.
Literally every single time frame had the same exact setup.
Yeah, and it was
30-minute, beautiful.
Punch.
15-minute. Not really on the 15. It got invalidated on the 15. Inverse this gap.
But what? So the 30 and the 5 was smooth though.
The 30, the 5, the hour. I doubt the 4-hour did anything. But it's like even on the 4-hour, you sort of can see it because you got the bottom wick. That was our pullback into our gap.
To that gap in the 4-hour, yeah. Just popped out. That's wild.
Just straight popped. It was like once I seen we retested these highs, that was Tokyo range, and we choppy as hell in there. I'm like, we shouldn't break past Tokyo low for sure. So once we wicked up, broke above here, I'm like, yeah, bro. So, I'd be dumb. And I was fucking hesitating. That was the first time I hesitated in a long ass time.
Wow.
I don't know. I literally have no clue. I guess it was because it was later on in the day.
Yeah.
But I was like, I'm sitting there like, why the fuck am I hesitating?
Yeah.
And then you want to know what popped in my head? Mark Douglas. He said, when you see your edge playing out, You gotta enter without hesitation or reservation. Right after I said that in my head, enter.
Yeah, I got to bump that today. I ain't gonna lie.
And then 2 hours later, TP.
Bro, so a quick question. What would you do? How do you trade in all-time highs, bro? When there's no levels to be seen?
I mean, you just wait.
We just wait for a pullback.
I mean, so you can go ahead and share your screen.
You know, hold on. I'm gonna have to rejoin. That shit's tweaking.
But yeah, all-time highs.
I can do it. You good?
But yeah, go ahead, pull your shit up.
Let's go. All right, man. So keep it short and sweet for today. We damn near took the same setups anyways. So we started with the start of Monday. We took an L Monday. We had a breaker.
Oh, real quick, my bad, real quick. Yesterday was 3,060.
Tough.
3,060.
That's tough. So for Monday we had a perfect A+ setup in my opinion. It just didn't play out. Well, Tuesday it just didn't play out. We had a breaker structure on London on this level right here. We had a breaker structure. Then on the 15.
Oh, I was about to say, nigga. I'm like, I don't see shit part of no. He might be the 5 for real.
Yeah, gotta be. I remember we talked. I think we already went over this, but we actually didn't yesterday. So yeah. Bet. Cool.
It better be a gap right there. Because
it
don't. Okay, it is. It is.
I was gonna say, I know I'm not tripping because I've actually been doing pretty good with taking today, except for today. You know, we'll talk about that. So basically, yeah, we had a break on London. We broke above, and we broke above this level again. We had to pull back into this fair value gap right here, and we confirmed above it. So after that, I entered, and it was pushing up, and I thought it could hit TP the way it was like had momentum going, but it ended up reversing against me.
And this was really a bullshit trade because Asia didn't get taken out. Like, when the fuck does that not happen?
Yeah, it's real rare. It was like, and it was so close to getting taken out too, bro. It was like a few ticks from getting
taken out. And it was like
out.
so close. I see why you expected it to go even past.
Yeah, facts. Because it was another level
that
on the previous Asia too. So that's where my stop was at. Because usually if it's sweep Asia, then it's not gonna like reverse right back down to sweep London. Like it's wild. Yeah. So I mean, it's just a bad trade. Got on the bad side of the
trade.
edge.
It's a good setup.
Yeah. So I got on the bad side of the edge. Hold on 1 second.
And then you do got to be wary of all that chop. Before you got in, it was hella chop. Hella chop. So that's something to think about before you get in. And you make sure 30's not throwing me nothing while we doing this.
Okay, y'all.
Hell no.
It's not.
You just buying up.
Or that's wrong one. So and then we're gonna go to M&Q on the last one. Pepperstone. I don't even know what that is, but let's do it. Okay, so we right here. So now we on Wednesday. So we had a big dump.
Big stupid ass dump.
Wild dump. So we finna go to Wednesday. So Wednesday we caught a big dog. We can go to the 15 minute. That's usually what I go off of. And what, bitch? Am I capping or what? Chat.
Do you be going off the 15 minutes?
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna do it. So
usually?
That's a start, right?
Okay, you can't say
games.
usually. You just starting out.
You know what I'm saying? Because like, you know what I'm saying? I used to be on the 1 minute, bro, but he did put me on the 5 and 15, and like it has been a way smoother week. You know what I'm saying? Without psychologically wise trade in every aspect.
Was it on the 30 maybe?
What the setup?
Yeah. Or wait, no, you got in over here. You got in over here on the left side of the position. Yeah, no, I see. I see.
Bet. So right here, y'all see we tested London, broke above it a little bit. We had to pull back into this fair value we got right here. And then when it confirmed above, y'all see right where I got in, it was a 1 and 2. I got in, this was yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. So, okay, but the thing is, I didn't get the 1 and 2. It was more of a 1 and 1. But we were just trying to let the 1 and 2 play out. So it was about a 1 to 1.5. I put my stop right below this fair value gap. As soon as it pulled in, and it was a smooth trade, it lasted probably like It said like
An
30,
hour.
yeah, an hour, but it was like about 40 minutes on my trader sync. And yesterday we ended up making let's see, yesterday was
Just go to Dash, yeah.
we made damn near 3K yesterday, but I did have some positions that was like over leveraged.
How much you lost the day before?
Shit, I lost 390.
Okay, that ain't shit.
So yeah, but
That's
I think
how it's supposed to look.
yeah,
But you wasn't on as many accounts.
yeah. So it probably would have been a little bit more. So yeah, we had that going. So it was a pretty smooth day. I wanted to get back in. I'm not gonna lie, but I told him I wanted to get back in, even though I was looking at it and it was looking smooth. So I ended up just closing my computer. I opened it back up and I seen it was already up. I was like, damn. So that's when I texted him. And today we gonna show y'all about today, bro. We gonna talk to y'all about today, about this. We'll say A. We say
B.
A minus.
It's a B. The pullback makes it an A.
You know what I'm saying? So this is a trade I took just about 30 minutes ago. So it's some I do use called the gap fill strategy. It didn't sweep the gap all the way today, but I'm gonna show it to y'all. So right here, market open, and I'm just now starting this week too, trading before 9 o'clock, and it's been pretty smooth. Just got to know how to know what you're looking for structure wise. So I got in right here. So I seen a dump, right? I seen it dumping. So I said, okay, but if it can pull back into this fair value gap on the 5 minute, then I can get in. What it did was it didn't pull back into the fair value gap.
So why'd you get in?
But hold on, hold on. So look, it didn't. But I'm like, well, it just tap. So I just gave it a little leeway, which I shouldn't have did. Did I break my rules? Technically,
okay.
Yes.
As long as we can admit,
you know what I'm saying? Technically, yes, I did break my rules, and I did see the volume. If y'all would have seen this candle when it hit, it came up and it shot back. I said, oh. I got to get in now. So I got in.
You wouldn't have got in if I was sitting right here.
I ain't gonna lie, gang. I would have been. I ain't gonna lie, my nigga.
It's debatable. It's a chance you wouldn't have taken it.
It definitely is a chance, but I'm not gonna lie.
Probably. I know. I'd be encouraging you not to.
No, for sure. Yeah, he definitely be on for not following my rules. Like I said, we should do because rules, of course, is put in place to, you know what I'm saying, help us out. But sometimes,
especially at this point.
Yeah, facts. Right there, bro. Right there. So right now we got break a structure, and it broke and it hit my TP. It hit my TP all the way. I had to get out early because I had some funding, some trader sync technical difficulties going on. But later down the road, it's not gonna have to worry about that. We straight. So that's the trade I took today, man. So that's what we got. I was supposed to do that Saturday.
What was on your screen? Like how much you make?
Yeah. So today I made. Let's see.
Is it gonna be updated?
Yeah, I think it did already.
I didn't see no.
For real?
Cause click today.
Auto send shit.
Yeah.
Go to manage data, and then go to it.
Pick a date range.
And
then
20.
Click the 21st and 24th.
Yeah. Sync range.
Yeah.
They might have to wait till the end of the day,
but that stop loading, and then you should be able to.
Yeah, but so let's see how much we made it today. It was like around like 1,000 or something like that.
It was more than that.
Really?
Because it was 200 on a couple accounts.
It said no trades could be found. So yeah, this we got for today.
Okay. Is that it?
No, it's more than that, bro. Wait, this might be it actually.
No,
Actually,
it says 4 trades.
Yeah,
right?
so that sounds about right. So
you were in on more than 4 accounts, or were you not?
No, I was in like 8.
Exactly, and you were in 1 or 2 contracts each. Each contract is a singular trade. It just hasn't updated.
Yeah, so it haven't updated yet. Oh, okay. So total P&L for today.
Oh yeah.
Was $1,164. Not bad, and it could have been more, but like I said, had some technical difficulties. So a smooth day. Didn't even hit full TP for certain reasons. But yeah, that's what we got for today, bro.
So wait, stay on this screen for a second.
Which one? The trader scene.
Yeah. So all these looses got passed today.
Yo, funded on Lucid.
Your top ones, 2 are in profit, 1's at break even.
And Tradify is up 64.
Yeah.
And the rest is just shit.
And then on my end, not Safari. On my end,
you can share yours.
I'm not sharing it. No, my screen's already.
Okay, but
it's like, yeah.
Close this down. Smooth, bro.
I'll just go to Tradeovate. Show them all these. So we got, obviously y'all already know, 10 accounts. And then all of them sitting at 50,326. Or around 50,326. I know it's a little bit. 25. A little bit different across all the firms.
You go up 300 though, right?
Yeah, I'm on up 324 on all of them.
Stuff.
I want to at least win like 2 more trades in a row, be comfortable. Just make sure I actually feel like I'm making a dent towards that buffer.
Yeah, I tweaked out though. If it wasn't for me tweaking out, I'd be up more when I tweaked out.
You or your computer?
Shit, both.
Yeah.
That's straight. Yeah, and the computer wasn't on my side today either, bro. Shit, it better not do that again, man. Cause like, say I'm at a coffee shop or something, what, like, pull that phone out. I'm gonna have to pull that phone out.
I mean, is there a Trade Seeker app?
I don't think it is. It might be.
Check real quick. They seem bougie, like they might have it.
That would be tough though. That would be real tough. But I ain't gonna lie, like, it's like a real. They got like a little office in there too, but the PM, you be at work and stuff. But I be working the PM, so. Nah, they don't. Not yet. They just like, I think they just came out or whatever, and they just now updating stuff to get it like working. And I think this might be better than a lot of with like Replicanto. You heard about them, but
yeah. I haven't looked into any of the.
I think Trade Sinker might be. I did my research. I think Trade Sinker might be the most optimal, even though it's kind of costly. But you pay for what you get.
I mean, what's costly? When we talking about.
I mean, like
trading.
Well, yeah. Honestly, it's part of the game, anyways.
It's costly before payouts.
Yeah. It's an tuition, bro. Tuition. This for college. You know what I'm saying? Like,
no, that's how I thought, nigga. I didn't touch college.
Not real. So you feel me? That's how I look at it. Like everything that I'm losing, everything that I'm not even losing, but I'm investing. I call it investing. Mm-hmm. It's an investment.
I don't even say investing. You know what I say? Yeah. It's just holding it for me.
Real.
Market just holding my pay until I get it back. Just holding it, keeping it safe.
For sure. Yeah. It's just a tuition, bro. Like. For sure. But
shit.
Yeah. That's what we got for today, bro. I'm finna stop sharing.
Yeah, that's a wrap. That's gonna be it for this video. Yeah, and we'll come back with another one on Saturday.
Yes, sir.
Till next time.
Yes, sir.